Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report chart appraisals with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets on Thursday the 15th of January. I'm going to look at dollar yen now, and this is the daily chart on dollar yen, and we've had a sharp recovery actually on dollar yen. Up from the low, we hit a low of 16.05. We've held on to the support at 15.56, which was that key December low, and if we'd lost that on that big sell-off, that would have completed a big double top pattern and implied further downside. So at the moment, that's not in play. We've got a nice low there. Also, you've had a sharp recovery intraday, which on the intraday chart actually comes up as a V-shaped bottom. But also the just shows that the sellers have lost a bit of impetus with a close above the halfway of that almost 200 pip band. It's about 190 pips. 190 pips of high to low band, and then it's the sellers have just lost that impetus slightly. I will show you the intraday chart because on quite a long-term scale, this is over the last couple of months actually, but you get an impression of the support that comes in, because this is this 1720 level is an old level of support which became resistance through December, and is now, having broken above that, interesting because intraday yesterday it became a bit of a level of resistance again, and once again a level of support. So I think that is the near-term support. We've just been dropping off a little bit in the European trading session on this dollar yen chart, so I think a move back to 1720, if that sort of starts to hold, I think the bulls can consider this as a bit of a recovery. But look also over the last almost 2 weeks, we've been in this long downtrend with a series of a series of lower highs, and it's once again have we fallen over. Now at the moment we've had this sharp recovery off 116.05, and that actually hit at the peak 117.94, so actually unwound all of yesterday's downside. But we're just dropping off again, and we need to find support again on dollar yen. The problem would be, I suppose, if you look at this hourly chart, we're actually sort of only unwound to 60 and dropping off again. MACD line's only unwound to neutral, dropping off again. Stochastic's already given a sell signal on the hourly chart, so that is again a little bit of concern. But at the moment, we are still holding on to a positive rebound outlook. And certainly this, if we can consolidate above 117.20, I think that the potential for a rebound is still there within this big couple of 2 weeks worth of downtrend. That downtrend currently comes in at 118.90, so there is scope for still further upside within this corrective move. But on a medium-term basis, we've seen the support come in at 116, pretty much 116 big figure, which has held on to that 115.56 key low. And I've been talking about the fact that I've been looking for medium-term buy signals. Well, no buy signal necessarily yet, but I think if we start to pull above yesterday's high at around 118 big figure, which again is a resistance from some lows from last week, I think that would suggest that perhaps we're beginning to turn around on this sentiment on dollar yen. So I'm viewing 118 big figure as a key resistance on the upside near term, and 117.20 as support for this rally. So if we lost that, then we could start to drift back lower again, back towards the lows. So a few levels for you to work with, but yes, we'll see how this dollar yen progresses. Okay, I'll speak to you later. Thank you very much.